Coursezy AI has just been released, and if you're thinking about using this new AI software, there are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Trust me, this is a game changer, and by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to make an informed decision. Stick around for my final thoughts, where I'll tell you how Coursezy AI compares to others in the market right now. Before we get into it, I want to let you know that you can try Coursezy AI completely free from the first link in the description below. That's right, no commitment, just an opportunity to explore what this new tool can do for you. First up, Coursezy AI offers a remarkably user-friendly interface that doesn't require you to be a tech expert. Even if you're a beginner in digital marketing or AI tools, you'll appreciate how easy it is to get started. This is one of its standout features. It's designed to help both newcomers and experienced users. So if you're new to AI, don't worry, you can jump right in, but don't let the simplicity fool you. Coursezy AI packs some serious power. It uses advanced algorithms to optimize digital campaigns, whether you're running ads or managing a social media presence. The tool essentially learns from your actions and adapts to make the process more efficient as you go. For marketers, this is a huge time saver. You'll get better results with less effort, and that's what every business needs. One of the features that I really like about Coursezy AI is its ability to analyze and generate high-converting content. Whether you're writing ads, email campaigns, or landing pages, this tool uses natural language processing to help you craft compelling copy that connects with your audience. It's especially useful for content creators or businesses that need to produce high-quality, persuasive material consistently. Now, the AI behind Coursezy is built with a deep understanding of consumer behavior. It doesn't just create generic content, it actually analyzes your target audience and tailors the messaging accordingly. This level of customization helps ensure that you're speaking directly to your ideal customers, which is crucial in today's competitive digital landscape. What really sets Coursezy AI apart from other tools, however, is its integration with popular marketing platforms. If you're using tools like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or even Shopify, Coursezy AI seamlessly integrates with these to boost your performance across the board. You'll get real-time suggestions to improve your campaigns, helping you make data-driven decisions faster. Another thing worth mentioning is how well Coursezy AI supports automation. For businesses that rely on customer engagement, this software can help streamline tasks like email follow-ups, customer inquiries, and even sales processes. Instead of spending hours on repetitive tasks, Coursezy allows you to automate everything, freeing up your time for strategic decision-making. Coursezy AI also has a robust reporting dashboard that allows you to track your campaigns and AI-generated content. It gives you insights into what's working and what isn't, so you can adjust your strategy accordingly. The transparency and detailed analytics give you confidence that your efforts are paying off, and it's easy to spot areas for improvement. Finally, Coursezy AI is still in its early stages, so expect regular updates and improvements. The team behind this software is constantly working to enhance its capabilities, making it a tool you'll want to keep an eye on as it evolves. To wrap up, Coursezy AI is a powerful and versatile tool that should be on your radar if you're serious about optimizing your digital marketing strategy. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, this software offers features that can save you time, improve your results, and help grow your business. Remember, you can try Coursezy AI completely free through the link below, so give it a spin and see how it can help you. If you're interested in checking out other top AI software that I personally recommend, I've included links to those in the description as well. After trying thousands of AI tools, these are my top picks for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.